Is your NVIDIA control panel missing crucial display settings on your laptop? Don't worry, we're fixing that right now. If you're encountering the frustrating problem of NVIDIA control panel display settings missing, this guide has the solutions. First, Method 1. Update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, find your NVIDIA GPU under Display Adapters, right-click and choose Update Driver. This ensures your graphics card has the latest instructions, often resolving minor software conflicts. If updating didn't restore it, the issue might be deeper, often requiring a fresh start. That brings us to Method 2, a clean driver reinstallation. Use DDU in safe mode to completely remove old drivers, then install the latest version. This removes any corrupted files that might be blocking the settings. Still no luck. Sometimes the core services aren't running correctly. Let's check those in Method 3. Ensure NVIDIA services are running. Press WIMPLA type services. Must locate NVIDIA display container LS and set its startup type to automatic. This makes sure the necessary NVIDIA components are actively running in the background. If services are active and you're still stuck, a registry workaround can often force the settings to reappear. This is Method 4, a quick registry edit. Open Regedit, navigate to the NVIDIA Control Panel key and create a DWORD named No Display Settings page with a value of 0. This can directly re-enable hidden or disable sections. Follow these steps and regain full control over your display settings.